Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we've got a 2023 GX460 here in the shop today. It's actually been in the shop for quite a few days. We're doing a full build on this truck. But one of the things that I want to talk about is we are installing one of the Victory 4x4 front aluminum bumpers on this. And being that this is a 23, it has the sensors out here. It has a couple sensors that are through here. And you can see the holes in the front here for the sensors. I actually have the sensor here. The sensor is much smaller than the hole right here in the front. You can see, and it kind of doesn't fit quite right. So what we did is we took the lower grill here that has the retainers on them. They're actually hot welded. They're actually hot welded here on the back side. And so what we did is we took a knife, we heated it up, and we actually cut across the back of it. And as we cut it off the back, just above where it's hot welded on, we put some tension on it after it was cut, and it actually allowed it to release and pop off. And we went around and did that on all four corners. So then what we did is, you see the retainer here is much larger. The nice thing is that this still now locks and pops back into this location. And then what happens is you take this clip, and this clip, let's see, actually this clip would be for this side, and the way it fits in the hole is really nice. It actually is super tight. If you rotate it in the back, it'll actually stop, and you can find a point where it sits very flat across the back. And now it's got a nice retainer around it. Now this will be able to pop back in from the back side, and it'll look like a really nice clean install. What we're gonna do is on this, it's got a nice flat surface here and a nice little ridge around here. We're actually gonna do JB weld, because really that's the only way to attach it. Yes, you could probably do 3M adhesive tape. I think over time it would probably knock itself loose, but we're gonna install that. We're gonna put the clips back in. They'll clip back in the way they're designed to. It'll look nice. When we get this all done, we'll share it with you, but these are just little things that I think that we found that work really well without having to try to source out the clip that would go in here to go in there. This will work really well using the factory parts. So anyways, we wanted to share that with you. We'll share this build with you when we're all done, but little key tips that'll help you along when you're doing stuff like this.